Hi everyone, let's take an example of for loop. In this question, I have taken two variables I and t, int I and integer t. For loop has, as we have discussed in earlier video, for loop has four steps. Step 1 में initialization as I have done, value of I is 5. यहाँ पे मैंने initialize कर दिया integer variable को value 5 से. Step 2 condition checking. Likewise, here I am checking condition I is less than equal to 10. And step 3 is if the condition is true, then we will be getting inside the loop. If the condition is false, then we will exit the loop. यहाँ पे अगर कंडीशन ट्रू हो जाती तो हम स्टेप 3 में लूप के अंदर जाते हैं एंड वॉट एवर द स्टेटमेंट हैज बीन रिटन विद इन द फॉर लूप इट इज गोइंग टू डू अकॉर्डिंगली. And step 4 is increment or decrement. In this example, initially I have assigned a value 5 to variable I. यहाँ पे step 2 में condition check करते हैं is 5 less than equal to 10? Yes, condition is true. When condition is true, then step 3 is getting inside the loop. Step 3 में you will see t equal to I plus 3 means t equal to 5 plus 3, that is 10. And next step is next statement, print the value of t. So here we are printing 8. Now step 4 is value of I is incremented by 5. So here you will get value of I is 10. अब next step में आते हैं I is equal to 10. Step 2 is checking the condition. Is I less than equal to 10? Yes, condition is true. Then you will see t equal to, as we are getting inside the loop, t equal to I plus 3, that is 13. So here again next step is printing the value of t, that is 13. Next step is value of I is incremented by 5. I am doing this 10 plus 5, that is 15. Now value of I is 15. Again step 2 is 15 less than equal to 10? No, condition is false. जब condition false हो जाती है तो हम सीधा लूप से एग्जिट करते हैं एंड लूप से एग्जिट करने पर you will see the output 8 and 13. So the output will be 8 and 13. Let's see if I am running this code, you will see the output. Likewise, click on run, then you will see output is 8 and 13. Next question you will see in next video.